Hi guys, welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about ligand and its types. This is part 2. In part 1, we discussed about monodentate and bidentate ligands. In this video, we will discuss about tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate and hexadentate ligands. So third type of ligand is tridentate ligands. Ligands which have 3 donor atoms are called tridentate ligands. For example, diene, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH, CH2, CH2, NH2, diethylene triamine. Donor site is 3 nitrogen atoms 1, 2 and 3 and charge is 0. So diene is a tridentate ligand. Next example is imido diacetato. CH2COO minus NH CH2COO minus. We know that CH3COO minus is acetate ion. So in ligand form acetato. So imido diacetato is a tridentate ligand. Donor site is 2 oxygen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom and charge is -2. Now next third example, TERPY, terpyridine. In this ligand, 3 pyrene rings are attached with carbon atom. So donor site is 3 nitrogen atoms 1, 2 and 3 and charge is 0. So diene and TERPY are tridentate ligands which have 0 charge, whereas imido diacetato is a tridentate ligand which have -2 charge. Very important. Now next type, tetradentate ligands. Ligands which have 4 donor atoms are called tetradentate ligand. For example, triene, triethylene tetramine. Molecular formula is NH2 CH2 CH2 NH CH2 CH2 NH CH2 CH2 NH2. Donor site is 4 nitrogen atoms 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 dative bonds are formed with central atom in coordination compound or ion. Therefore, it is a tetradentate ligand. Here charge is 0. Now another example of tetradentate ligand is nitrilo triacetato. 1, 2, 3 triacetato. In this tetradentate ligand, donor site is 1, 2, 3, 3 oxygen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom and charge is -3. So nitrilo triacetato is a tetradentate ligand. Now another type of ligand is pentadentate ligands. Ligands which have 5 donor atoms are called pentadentate ligands. For example, very important example, EDTA -3. Molecular formula is of En, NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 and in En 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced from nitrogen by 2 acetato CH2 COO minus ion. Similarly, from 1 nitrogen atom of En from nitrogen replaced by CH2 COO minus. Thus, the molecular formula of EDTA -3 is CH2COO CH2COO attached with one nitrogen atom with single bond CH2 CH2 NH CH2 CW minus. And full name of EDTA minus 3 is ethylene diamine triacetate 1, 2, 3. Here donor site is 1, 2, 3, 3 oxygen atoms and 2 nitrogen atoms. Here 5 dative bonds are formed, therefore it is EDTA minus 3 is a pentadentate ligand and charge is -1, -1, -1. So charge is -3. Very important. Example of pentadentate ligand. Now next, hexadentate ligand. Ligands which have 6 donor atoms are called hexadentate ligand. For example, very important example, EDTA -4, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. We know that molecular formula of EN is NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. 2 hydrogen from each nitrogen atoms replaced by 2 CH2 CW minus from each nitrogen atom. So molecular formula of EDTA -4 is CH2 CW minus and CH2 CH2 and CH2 CW minus. So EDTA -4 is a hexadentate ligand, whereas EDTA -3 is a pentadentate ligand. Here donor site is 4 oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 nitrogen atom. So here 6 dative bonds are formed with a central metal in coordination compound. Therefore EDTA -4 is a hexadentate ligand and charge is -4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very important example for your competition also. Now we will take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is TERPY is a option A bidentate L, B tetradentate L, C tridentate L and D hexadentate L. Very important question. We know that TERPY in this ligand 3 nitrogen atoms are donor site. Therefore TERPY is a tridentate ligand. So answer will be option C tridentate ligand. Now next question second is ligand which has nitrogen donor atom only is. Very important question. Option A EDTA -4, B diene, C triene, D B and C. We know that in diene donor site is 3 nitrogen atoms. Similarly in triene donor site is 4 nitrogen atoms. Therefore answer will be option D, B and C. Diene and in triene donor site is nitrogen atom. So answer will be option D. Now next question third, which pair is matched? First is EDTA -4 is a pentadentate L. We know that EDTA -4 is a hexadentate L. So it is unmatched. Second is TERPY tetradentate L. We know that TERPY is a tridentate L. Therefore it is also a unmatched pair. Third is tri-in tetradentate L. We know that tri-in is a tetradentate L, so matched pair is third. So option A, first and second, B, second and third, C, only third. So answer will be option C, only third. Now next, fourth question is, which of the following have -3 charge? Very important question. Option A, di-in. We know that di-in is a neutral tetradentate L. Option B, EDTA 4-, we know that EDTA 4- is a hexadentate L and it has -4 charge. Option C, nitrilo triacetato. We know that nitrilo triacetato is a tetradentate ligand and its charge is -3, and in option D, B and C. So answer will be option C. Very important question. And last question is, which pair or pairs are unmatched? Ligand and donor site. Very important question. Option A, EDTA -4. Donor site is nitrogen and oxygen. Tri-in oxygen. C. Option C, imido diacetato, nitrogen and oxygen. And D, none of the above. We know that in imido diacetato, donor site is 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen atoms are present. So it is a matched pair. In EDTA -4, donor site is 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen atom. So it is also a matched pair. And in tri-in, we know that donor site is nitrogen atom. Therefore, option B is a unmatched pair. So answer will be option B. Hopefully.